Good morning, this is Dale Rains from AccuSpect Home Inspection Company. We're looking at about a 40-year-old furnace this morning, and we realized when we turned it on that it's not igniting properly, and we are getting rollout, and we're even getting a little bit of issues when we turn the furnace off. So here, take a quick look at this. See how the flames come shooting out the sides? That's improper and can ultimately lead to some damage inside the furnace, possibly even the wiring there. When we turn the furnace off, we still are getting a little bit of excess gas, as you'll see here. Just another reason why you should have your home professionally inspected by the professionals at AccuSpect Home Inspection Company.